Hello everybody. Right now we've got a 2007 Chevy 1500 with a no AC issue. It's that time of year where AC work's going to start coming in like crazy. I put the gauges on it and the compressor's short cycling. One thing I did notice is that as soon as I took the low side cap off, there was a little burst of like an air sound, like Freon sound. So I'm assuming that the low side Schrader valve is leaking a little bit. We're just going to throw a pound in it right now and see if that changes. So I got the tank hooked up, it's on the scale, and charge from the low side. See what the compressor starts doing. Almost immediately, the cycle time of the compressor has increased. The run time, I should say. To be honest with you, the compressor really doesn't sound that healthy. I think this guy's going to end up putting a compressor on it before the summer's over, so see what happens. We're at 12.150, we're down to 11.850. Get down to 11.150 and we'll see what the temperature reads coming out the vents. That's typically how I'll charge a system if I haven't evacuated it. I don't have a portable evacuation machine, so unless the system has been drained completely, as long as it's operating, seems to be operating normally, I'll just charge it. And if it's a situation where I've got to evacuate them, I've got a buddy that's got an AC machine. Run over there and reset. We're down to 11.650, half a pound to go. Compressor's consistently running. Pressures are looking better. That low pressure should get down to 35 or less. So we'll see what happens. Still flowing in. We're down to 11.550. Both side pressure is running about 48. Still a little high. Might be because the bottle's hooked up. Once I get down to where I want to be on the tank, shut the low side pressure gauge off, and it should drop some. The tank's been in the back of my truck, so it's probably warm, a little bit of pressure in there. That's probably why it's giving me a higher reading. Hanging out at 11.5. I'm going to shut the low side charge port off. Go grab a thermometer and see what the air's doing. Well, we got about a pound in the truck. running pretty good. AC's blowing pretty cold. Have a good one, everybody.